Most project managers spend more time than they should managing the financial aspects of their project. A lot of time is wasted reconciling the project budget with the corporate general ledger. Project Administrator takes a different approach. If we click on Administration, we are taken into an area where we can set up account codes. Now you can set up an account code to suit your project. What you can do is, with that account code, map it back to your general ledger. Now here's an example. General ledger account code for contractors, external contractors, is 12222. But we want to know what money are we spending with each of the contract companies. So we set up an account code of 2000, 2000, 2100 and 2200, which all map back to the same general ledger account code. Consequently, we can see the amount we spend with external contractors of the three companies. Now that enables us to use our account code but map it back to the general ledger. If we want to do some more manipulation, we can export the data to an Excel file and download it. Now you also notice that we can download the actual expenditure and how much we've committed. So Project Administrator allows us to manage not only what we've spent, but what we're committed to spend. Now we come to setting up our budget. Select a project, go to Project Overview and select Budget. Now you can see that we have a number of columns here, the project, then we can select account code from a drop-down list and it will display the name. We put in an amount, and if you want to put some notes, they can be included as well. If you need to attach documents, you can click on the Attach Document button, open up a screen and attach a document, which might be some information about how the budget was established. And down the bottom, we have our total budget for the project. To enter expenditure items, we open Daily Management and select Expenditure. As you can see, the expenditure screen is not unlike the budget screen. We have an account code which we can select from a drop-down list. We have an amount, and we have a description which is optional. You have a date, you can add some notes if need be, and you can select whether it's an actual expenditure or whether it's committed. So in this case we've committed $2,500 for a hardware engineer to review an existing server. You can also add notes if there's a particular document that relates to it. We have a total expenditure at the bottom, and we can sort it in different orders to help find particular items. If we want to find out some information about the expenditure and budget, we can go to Reports. Here we can see we can look at the account codes that we've set up, we can look at the budget for a particular project, and then we can look at expenditure against budget. And this is by project, by account, or by item. Now if we open the expenditure by item report, we can see every expenditure item grouped by account code for that particular project. If we go to the account level, you can see the expenditure by account. And if we want to do further analysis, as we mentioned earlier, you can export all the budget and expenditure information to Excel.